क्वेश्चन पूछ, मैं आंसर नहीं देता हूँ। तो बता क्वेश्चन पूछ तुमने बताने में लग जाती है।
तो मैं कुछ भी ना बोलूँ?
क्वेश्चन पूछ तो रही है तू, तेरा ही बोल बस, और कितना बोलेगी।
Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy. Whoever is here for the first time, do like, share and subscribe Fusion by Lucy. And guys, please एक चीज़ पे one thing, do comment below. Because every time Sharma ji is like, people want to watch me more. And I'm like, people want to watch me more. So guys, please do comment whom you prefer, talking the most. And let's finish the fight once and for all, right? In fact, today he's looking a little funny. Let's ask him, why is he looking so funny?
Bonjour, namaskar, good morning, good afternoon, India. I'm looking funny. Actually, what happened day before yesterday, I went for the salon for the haircut, and I explained that guy just do a little haircut, and in the whole sentence he only understand little. So what he did is, you can see now. So he just
left little.
Yeah, he just left little and take it all away. So it's okay, it's happened. So when he was trying to do something on my head, I was watching him. I said, okay, he'll not do it, he'll not do like this. Then the moment he did it, then I said, okay, I'm Senegali today. It's okay. Hota hai, it's okay, part of the life.
So guys, we received a mail. We have been receiving a lot of queries about Senegal. We received a mail specifically from a doctor, a lady doctor. And she has asked a few questions, and I hope this will help many of you. So please guys, do share this video. I'm sure it's going to help a lot of people. So her first question is, what will be the rentals for studio apartment and 1 BHK? Do we need to pay any deposit for the flat? Okay, so I will give it to Sharma ji because he wants to do the talking.
In the last video also we have covered the same question, and let me tell you once again, the monthly for the studio apartment would 150,000 to 200,000 sefa, depending on the area. The area we live in here in Hanmaris, the apartment cost is around 150,000 sefa or 200,000 sefa, which would be in rupees. If I convert that, gonna be 17 to 25,000 rupees. That would be the cost for the 1 BHK one studio apartment. Also, yes, deposit is there, same like India. In India also, like we pay 1 month rent, 1 month advance, 1 month brokerage. Same here. And generally you don't find the brokers here, but still they charge that money.
Okay, so next question. Is there a sharing accommodation concept like Dubai and other places? So there are a lot of people who are staying here in groups. And once you come here, there are a lot of WhatsApp groups, other groups available on Facebook. And if you just send a comment to us on the video Fusion by Lucy, we'll help you get added to the group. And you can definitely, ask anyone if they can accommodate you, because here, yes, the options are available. Sharma ji, why don't you?
Yes, as she mentioned, there are so many Indians living here. Maybe if any Indian has extra spare room, they can share with you. But in general, I have not experienced it yet, because when I was living alone here and starting my business, I was living in my own apartment. I never got a chance to live with someone. Many we have here service apartments, which like a big apartment and they are sharing all together. And you have to pay daily wise there. Every day you have to pay your money, and you can use multiple things.
How much will be the expense?
The per day will be 15 to 1,000 sefa, depending on the area again. And the area I'm talking right now is my area, where you will find easily service apartment, 1 room, maybe even the studio fully furnished in 15 to 20,000 sefa. Where also you can do one thing, looking for a longer stay, you can negotiate with them for the monthly basis. If you are, for an example, you're getting a 20,000 a day, that's gonna be around 600,000 sefa a month, which you can negotiate maybe for 400,000 sefa, where you can get a deal easily. And in that you'll get all kind of thing, blanket, and you see the Wi-Fi, you have air condition, fan, and all kind of things, bed and sofas and everything will be installed there for you.
Whatever, yeah.
Everything.
Okay, so just closing that point, if you want on a daily basis, you'll be paying 15 to 20,000 sefa per day. But if you talk to the person and want on a monthly basis, it will be 4 lakh sefa to 5 lakh sefa. Okay, in between, and depending on the location, you can also get in 3 lakh sefa.
And even depending on you, how good you are in negotiation. Okay? Negotiation is very important. If you not negotiate well, you will lose your money. It's Africa.
And if you want to watch how we negotiated for a very cheap Christmas tree, I'll share the link in the video. Do watch that video to learn how we negotiate in Africa. Okay.
Also, I'll tell you one thing. When you listen, when you say negotiation is available everywhere, that doesn't mean you'll negotiate everywhere, huh? Or tomorrow you go 5-star hotel and you start negotiating there. Please don't do that. Huh? Don't embarrass us. Also,
I can embarrass you. Okay, so the next question is, can you help with the method of cooking? Do they provide LPG cylinders? Saurabh has some story around LPG cylinders, so he can help you better.
yeah, I remember now, because see, when we all know, right, in India, how the LPG thing works. You have to call and book the cylinder, and sometimes your cylinder is finished. Then you have to find a solution, and that is the biggest problem, to find that solution.
I'll just share one experience. My mother, she has stopped going anywhere. She just stays in the home. Why? Because the cylinder guy can come anytime. And I'm surprised. I mean, she won't go anywhere because the cylinder guy might come anytime. So here you will not have this problem. You can roam around, you cannot be at home, it's okay.
And I remember, we used to live on the 3rd floor and without a lift kind of apartment. And sometime I used to carry the cylinder from to the 3rd floor, and that is a big hassle, right? Here, if you go to any shop, you'll find cylinder, you give him meal fry extra, he'll drop that to your house on your doorsteps. So it's very, very easy, and I'm very, very happy since this thing start happening to my life.
Okay, the cost of the cylinder will be around 6,000 sefa. Okay.
Multiple sizes. You can start from 2 kg cylinder, you can go till 35 kg, 40 kg cylinders. In India, if all household people know, the 14 kg cylinder is the normal size of cylinder. In Senegal, we have 12 kg size of cylinder, which is normal kind of cylinder here. 12 kg cylinder is 6,000 sefa, which is in rupees will be 800 rupees. It's a good cost, and it's a good cylinder. It make us eat.
Okay. So the next question is grocery. How much will it cost for a single person? Okay, first of all, let me tell you, you have multiple grocery shops here. Every location has some of the other Indian grocery shop. Whatever you wanted in India, you'll get it here. So the cost of the grocery, we always debate because I can spend less and he ends up spending more. So, Sharma ji, why don't you?
Yeah, it's all depend how much you eat, right? Also depends.
Vegetarian.
And what kind of food you eat, that is also depend. If you are vegetarian, your expenses will be more. Yeah, it's surprising, but vegetables are more expensive here than a non-veg. We have a good chance here, or maybe we are lucky. There is one Indian guy who is growing up vegetables here specifically for Indians, and you'll get all kind of Indian vegetables, the seasonal vegetables.
We get methi.
Methis, Karela. You can get Karela, Methi, Palak, and you have Falis, Tori, Ghiyas. Ghia locally also be available here. So Ghia you don't buy from the Indian guy; he sell very expensive. From the local shop you'll get more cheap. People don't know. Yeah, there is very nice ghiyas. They got small ghiyas here, and the cost is very good.
And even bhindi.
Yeah.
Yeah, locally you get good amount of bhindi, which is not expensive.
Lady finger,
Which is
yes.
Senegal bhindi.
And for
Okay.
the non-veg, you have
No,
multiple options. You can eat whatever you want if you like non-veg food, right? It's available everywhere.
Every street will have non-veg. You will get in meal fra, the meal, trua meal, sa meal. The range is there for non-vegetarian. It is a heaven for non-vegetarians. The cost of one person per month will be how much?
I think it's going to be in rupees. If I'll tell you, 8 to 10,000 rupees gonna be a monthly cost for one person to survive here on grocery.
Yeah, it depends on how you manage, okay? 1 lakh sefa is what he said. So the next question is it safe to drive vehicle in Senegal? It is very safe to drive vehicle in Senegal, but
I'll add something in this. See, I'll tell you honestly, driving is very difficult in this country. See, the taxi drivers, they drive, the way they drive, you cannot drive with them. It's very difficult for you to drive. In beginning, it will take time for you to understand how the traffic work here. It's completely different than India, right? People do not listen to you. And you cannot do horn. There are very, very different thing from India. But safety-wise, it's not a problem.
the rules and regulations are very strong.
Yeah, rules and regulations are very
Very
strict.
strong.
Very strict.
Yeah.
You can bring your Indian international passport, go to the embassy, get that converted in French. Then you go to
Driving license, not
yes,
passport.
yeah, your Indian driving license, international driving license, international driving license. You go to the Indian embassy, get converted from the embassy in French. Then after you go to the police and get the stamped same, and you can use that for 3 months.
Is public transport safe and easy, or do we need to purchase a second hand car? So yes, public transport is available and you can use that, but it is also advisable you can take a taxi, because taxi, any nook and corner that you're standing, you'll easily get a taxi.
Depending on area to area, if you going, if for an example, if 10 kilometer you are covering in the taxi, that would be around 3,000 sefa, would be in rupees. If I say 350 rupees for 10 kilometer, which is okay, a good deal. Also, they are starting a metro here also, but metro will take little more time to access and get connected to all the places. Maybe it will take more 3-4 years. Till then, you have to go in taxi, or you can buy a second-hand car, which is easily available everywhere.
Initially, when we came here, we used to travel only in taxi and it was little uncomfortable. And the moment we bought a car, life is easy, because you will be spending a lot in the taxis. Yeah, for a kilometer range, they will charge you meal sensa or the meal. Yeah, so that is the problem. So it is better you buy a second hand car, which will not cost you more than 2 to 3 or 4 or 5 lakhs, depending on the car that you're wanting to take. So the last question is, how do we transfer money to India? Very good question, because at the end it's all about money. So how do we transfer money to India, sir?
If you are looking for a longer period to stay here, and then I will advise you to have a bank account. Through the bank account, you can transfer money. If you should have a valid reason to transfer money. Second thing you can do on a urgency basis, you can send through Western Union around the world anywhere. And I think they have limited some 1 million sefa you can send in one go, and you need to check that with the Western Union basically.
I think we have covered all the questions. Good job, Sharma ji. Okay. So guys, that was all about the video. We're going to come up with a video which people are demanding a lot. Business opportunities in Senegal. So that, I think, depends on when Sharma ji is available, because he's the one who started the business here.
We'll do that maybe next week. Till then, do not invest money here and there, because money is very important and I don't want you to lose your money. Hold your money tight and wait. I'll give you the good advice and good information on the same. Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay guys, so thanks a lot for being with us and watching our video. Don't forget to share this video, because this is going to help a lot of people. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Have a good day. See you guys.